Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you see deleted search history on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, open your Instagram application and then here in the search menu, click on the search bar and then, for example, I will find some person. For example, this one. Then I'm going to click on that person and then I'm going to like some of his posts, reels, for example. Then you need to go back again, and then I'm going to clear my search history. And how can you find that one person? So the first way you need to do, if you remember the first letter of his name, you can easily find him. Here it is. You need to click on that person if you want, but what should you do if you don't remember his name? So the second way how you can find him is to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines, and then here you need to find your activity option and then click on that. Then here in this interface you need to scroll down, and then in how you use Instagram section you need to click recent searches. Sometimes your searches will appear here, but now there is nothing because maybe we recently deleted our search history. So you need to go back, then go to the top of this page. Then in the interaction section you need to click on the likes, and then here you can see all your liked posts. For example, click on any post you want and then go to that one person profile. So you can click on the comments if you commented that one person's posts, or maybe you liked some posts or reels. And that's how can you see deleted search history on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.